Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use GoodNotes for study notes. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoodNotes application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for GoodNotes, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing all the notes we have created. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and log into your account. You need an account to use GoodNotes with. So once you've logged in, here at the bottom of the screen we can find all the sections we can access, such as documents. We have the favorites option. This is how we can go and create new notes and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to use GoodNotes for study notes. So basically guys, this involves creating dedicated notebooks for each subject, importing lecture slides, and using features like handwriting to text. So what you're going to start off with is the plus button right here in the middle of the page. Right here at the bottom screen, click the plus button, which is going to enable you to either create a new folder or to create a new notebook. So you can click the notebook option. It's going to enable you to go ahead and create it right here. So you're going to give it the name, let's say something for starting. I'm just going to call it tutorial, and you're going to create it. So just like that, we can go ahead and create our notebook, save it. Once you go back, and as you can see, you're going to have a limit as a free user, but now you can use that notebook to add your notes, beginner slides, and so on, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.